Today, we're checking out the MSI EV Life Type 1 J1772 Level 2 EV Charger. And yes, you heard that right, MSI, the same company known for motherboards, graphics cards, and gaming gear, is now stepping into the EV space. They've launched a new line of home chargers, and the EV Life comes in two versions, a hardwired unit for $449.99 and a NEMA 1450 plug-in version for $499.99. We went with the plug-in model, which made setup super simple, literally plug and play. If you go hardwired, definitely have an electrician handle it. I'll drop a link below if you want to check it out. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the charger itself, wall mount brackets, a hardware kit with screws and anchors, a mounting template, and the typical paperwork. Setup was pretty straightforward for us. We unpacked everything, did a rough fit on the wall to visualize placement, and then marked out the holes. Once we had the brackets leveled and secured, the charger slid right onto the hooks at the top. After locking it down with two screws on the bottom, it was rock solid. Next up, we plugged in the NEMA 1450 cable, making sure it wasn't pulled too tight since there's not much room for adjustments once it's mounted. Flip the breaker back on, and just like that, it was ready to charge. If you ever see a blinking red light, that's just the emergency stop. Pull it out and you're good to go. Honestly, I like that MSI included that built-in safety feature. Right away, the design feels premium. The glossy black front looks modern and clean, and the whole unit has a solid weight to it that gives confidence. The charging cable is a beast, almost 25 feet long, super sturdy, and thick enough to handle plenty of wear and tear. It easily reaches the car whether it's parked inside the garage or even just outside the door, and it doesn't matter how it's parked inside the garage. I also like the compact size. It doesn't dominate your wall space, and the simple LED indicator keeps things clear without being distracting. On top of that, MSI built this with durability in mind. IP55 water and dust resistance. Performance-wise, the MSI EV Life can deliver between 3.2 and 14.4 kilowatts of charging power, giving you fast level 2 charging if your vehicle supports it. The NEMA 1450 plug-in model maxes out at 40 amps on 220 volts, while the hardwired version can push up to 60 amps at 220 volts for even faster charging. It comes with the Type 1 SAE J1772 connector, but with an adapter it's also compatible with NACS, so you're covered no matter what you drive. The charger itself is compact, measuring just under 9 inches tall and about 5 inches deep, and it weighs around 14 pounds. Despite the small footprint, it's packed with safety certifications including UL 2594 and Energy Star. It's also designed for extreme weather, operating in temps from -40 up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. MSI backs it with a 5-year warranty when you register, which puts it right at the top with the other big names in this category. Another highlight is the MSI A-Connect app, available for both iOS and Android devices. From the app, you can schedule charging sessions, which is great if you want to take advantage of off-peak electricity rates. You can also adjust the charging current to balance with the rest of your home's power usage, check charging status in real time, and even look back at your charging history. Firmware updates can also be pushed directly through the app, so the charger can improve over time. And depending on the model, you'll connect via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet. For our unit, it's Bluetooth, and setup was quick and painless. We didn't even have to create an account, which is always nice. Now, as good as this charger is, there are a couple things I'd personally tweak. On the plug-in version, the included NEMA 1450 cable is pretty short, about 1.5 feet. It worked fine for our install, but in some garages, a longer cable closer to 3 feet would make life easier. Also, the way our outlet was oriented meant that we had to rotate the receptacle to line up correctly with the plug. Not the end of the world, but it's something to keep in mind during install. If I'm understanding it correctly, I feel like the plug end's technically upside down if you're matching the font with the outlet being right side up. Anyways, just something to keep in mind again during installation. At the end of the day, the MSI EV Life is a really solid home charger. It's sleek, compact, and super easy to install if you go with the plug-in model. The long charging cable, app control, and a strong 5-year warranty make it a competitive option. If you're already a fan of MSI's hardware, this is a natural extension into your garage. And it's nice to see a tech brand with this kind of reputation bringing their quality into EV charging. For reliable level 2 charging with smart features baked in, this is a great pick.